Hello fitness enthusiasts, welcome to our channel. Today we're putting the spotlight on the incline bench press, a fantastic exercise for targeting the upper chest. We'll be covering everything from equipment setup to common mistakes, so stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of the incline bench press. Our primary tools today are the incline bench and the barbell. The incline bench, adjustable in nature, allows us to target different parts of our chest, while the barbell is our main tool for weight resistance. Don't forget about the weight plates. They add the necessary weight to our barbell and clips keep them securely in place. Each piece of equipment plays a vital role in our workout, ensuring we achieve our fitness goals in a safe and effective manner. With our equipment ready, let's move on to the bench angle. Positioning yourself correctly is crucial for an effective and safe workout. Let's start with the incline bench. Lie down on it, ensuring your back is flat against the surface. Your feet should be firmly planted on the ground, providing a stable base to support your movements. Next, let's talk about grip. It's not just about grabbing the barbell, it's about doing it right. There are different grip options, but the most common one is the overhand grip, where your palms face away from you. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Make sure your grip is comfortable, yet secure. Remember, a good body position and an appropriate grip can greatly enhance your incline bench press performance, preventing any unwanted injuries. Now that we're in position, it's time to unrack the bar. With a firm grip and correct body position, we're ready to lift. Unracking the barbell is the first step in the execution of the incline bench press. It's crucial to maintain control during this process, ensuring the barbell is safely and securely in your hands. Now we're moving into the descent. Slowly lower the barbell towards the upper chest, focusing on keeping your movements targeted and deliberate. This isn't just about strength, but also about precision. Remember to breathe, matching your breath with each movement. Next comes the ascent. Here you'll push the barbell back up, again focusing on the upper chest. This isn't a race, so make sure each ascent is controlled and steady. Finally, we'll perform a few repetitions, showcasing the full range of motion. This repetition is where your strength and stamina truly shine. Remember, control is key. Now let's discuss some common mistakes. Avoid these common mistakes to prevent injury and optimize your workout. One common error is excessive back arching. This not only misaligns your form, but also increases risk of back strain. Instead, strive for a neutral spine position throughout the exercise. Another pitfall is flaring out your elbows. This can lead to undue shoulder stress. Remember, maintain a safe elbow angle, aligning them with your body. These aren't just minor details, they're key to maximizing your incline bench press benefits. Keep these points in mind for a safe and effective workout. Great job today, everyone. Now remember to safely rack the barbell back onto the incline bench. Don't forget to cool down, letting your body normalize after all that hard work. Feel free to comment with any questions or share your experiences. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.